To service the bleed down valve, first shut down the system. Place the main electrical disconnect in the off position and lock it out. Ensure all high pressure water is bled off. Remove the bleed down valve assembly from the pump and take it to a clean workbench. Take off the hydraulic hose from the valve. If the hose is still connected to the pump, cap the end of the hose. Take off the outlet adapter. Remove and discard the high pressure seat. Remove the high pressure tube from the inlet port and slide the collar off. Take off the hose fitting and reducer from the hydraulic actuator body and set those aside. Separate the high pressure valve body from the hydraulic actuator body with the use of 2 wrenches. Using a wooden dowel, push the hydraulic piston out of the actuator body. Remove and discard the O-ring from the hydraulic hose fitting and reducer. Remove and discard the O-ring and a backup ring from the hydraulic piston, taking care not to scratch the piston sealing surfaces. Using the proper end of the seal removal tool, push out the high pressure stem and seal assembly and discard them. Clean all the bleed down valve parts with solvent and compressed air. Inspect the high pressure valve body for signs of wear, erosion, or pitting. Replace as needed.